Hi, my name is Trisha Molina and I'm the general manager here at the Holiday Inn Express in Miami Springs, Florida. We have an excellent working relationship with Drysteam. They do a fabulous job coming in, cleaning the carpets, and sanitizing the carpets. We have some of the crew members here now, and we have them do our entire hotel when they come. They're very quick, extremely professional, and do a fabulous job cleaning our carpets. And we could see how great the carpet is coming. And they use all professional equipment. They take extreme care as far as the guest items, as well as the hotel furniture.
The hotel carpet cleaning method we use at Drysteam is a very low moisture encapsulation system that results in carpet beautification and the removal of dirt, odors, allergens, and germs. We understand that hotels are 24/7 and downtime is simply not an option, which is why with our encapsulation method, the carpet is clean and dry within 20 minutes. The bonnet machine is relatively quiet and there are no harsh chemicals to disturb guests.
As you can see, we take cleanliness here at the Holiday Inn Express very seriously. It is extremely important that we maintain the high IHG standards that are expected and what we're trained for. We are always trained for cleanliness and condition at our hotel, and it's very important to work with a professional company such as Drysteam to ensure that these standards are met.
If you're looking for a quote, give us a call today to schedule an appointment.